This is an interesting IEM from Sivga. They usually make headphones, but this one is a IEM. They did make the Sivga Nightingale, a planar based IEM, but this is Sivga Q. This is their budget DDIM. It's not anything fancy. I think a 10 DD. We will see if there are any specification on the box or not, and we will know. I was shared some information about the IM, but not all of it. Let's see. What I can tell you guys is this looks very similar to the Nightingale. The design is very similar to Nightingale. So, what are the specification here? It's difficult to read, but yeah, you guys can see 10 beryllium plated diaphragm. Okay, we will see. That's not a big deal. What driver you are using, what kind of material being used on the driver is not a big deal. I believe what matters more is the tuning. If you have tuned a aluminum driver well, it can easily outperform those fancy drivers. So yeah, that is not a big deal. Yet we are looking into it in any case. 10 gram 32 ohm is a bit on the higher side. Sensitivity is decent at 108 dB. So yeah, this is a decent budget IEM at this point of time. I believe this is priced at around $80 if I'm not wrong. It will be interesting to compare it with the Kefine Delci and a few other IEMs in this price range. This is very interesting IEM for me. I like Sivga products, and this IEM looks very good. Metal, you guys can see, very similar looking. Looks are very similar to what the Nightingale was, and wood. Sivga is known for the wood plated wood cups, but this one has a wood back plate. Looks very good in my opinion. There are no graphs shared by the brand, so I'm not exactly sure what to expect from it. But this shell looks very good. Metal, metal body, and fairly long, fairly long nozzle here. You guys can see fairly long nozzle. Not as long as the FD15, but yeah, decently long. The length is not a problem at all. Let's see what else we are getting. I'm expecting a case, a carry pouch at least. Anything inside here? No, nothing inside this. So I'll put this aside and we will look into the carry pouch. This is what I like. You pay $80 and look at this case. Man, this carry pouch in its own or carry case in its own can cost you $30. 25 to $30. Very good quality zipper too. Very good quality zipper. And this cable, look at this cable. It looks like the Thai audio EST cable. They sell this cable for $50. I'm not saying that this is a very premium kind of cable, but yes, this looks very good for a $80 IEM. This looks fantastic. These are some Sivga tips, Sivga written on those, and here are some other a few other tips. Slightly whiteboard. These are, I believe. Let's compare. Okay, anything is whiteboard? No, maybe not. Both are very similar when it comes to the bore size. So no, not wide bore or anything like that. Maybe is the difference in depth or anything like that. Yeah, the length. and stuff are different, or these are just same board tips. In any case, this is the unboxing of Sivga Q QUE. Good looking IM, very good looking IM to be precise. I'm liking the looks of this one particularly. We will see how this sounds with beryllium coated diaphragm. So this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.